perform in Finnish, like what Finnish? It's very simple, it goes like this. Y, ka, ko, ne. One more time. Y, ka, ko, ne. Alright, let's have a try, let me hear you. Y, ka, ko, ne. That was good. Y, ka, ko, ne. But, you know, a couple of days ago we played in this very, very small town called Los Angeles. Loud.
Johansson!
You're in Mexico. Do you think that you can be loud, Monterrey? Very good. But you know, tomorrow in this very, very small town. I guess you never heard about it, but it's called something like Mexico City.